5 college athletes cashing in. They could soon get checks directly from their universities. Our state capitol reporter Harm Van Heisen spoke with members of Congress who are at UW-Madison today, hearing from athletes and coaches and getting a lesson in the evolving economics of college sports.
There's a major legal settlement pending right now that will reshape college athletics by letting schools pay their players directly. Now that creates a lot of big unknowns for the NCAA, which is why they're asking Congress for help.
The thing we can't solve for are some of the issues that have to do with our ability to have rules around eligibility, rules around academic performance.
The NCAA and the largest college sports conferences are on the verge of finalizing a deal to pay billions to student athletes who weren't allowed to profit off the use of their names and images. More importantly, the agreement will let big conference schools start paying roughly $20 million a year to their athletes starting next school year. That's raising questions like which athletes will get paid. Will women's teams and men's teams be compensated equally?
As a girl dad, I want to know what's going to happen in regards to Title IX.
And what does this mean for the future of sports that don't bring in revenue? Those are just some of the topics members of Congress talked about on Friday.
They don't want to see some of these smaller teams in sports be eliminated or compromised in such a way that they're unable to continue to be part of the overall collection of what a university offers.
The NCAA, meanwhile, is worried about its ability to enforce things like GPA requirements and limits on the number of seasons a college athlete can play. Those could run up against laws meant to promote fair business competition. Wisconsin Congressman Scott Fitzgerald is helping to lead the charge on new regulations.
There's a lot of volatility right now in collegiate sports, and they're looking for somebody to possibly change that.
Congressman Fitzgerald says lawmakers are still gathering input while they figure out exactly what they want to propose on this issue. Meanwhile, the settlement allowing schools to pay their players could be just days away. A judge on Monday gave attorneys 1 week to come up with a plan that addresses her concerns. In Madison, Harm Van Heisen, TMJ4 News.